Ari, there's something I've been meaning to talk to you about.
Okay, what's up?
Well, I don't want that you get the wrong idea, but I can note that in the last days when I'm talking with you, you're always in your mobile.
Really? I
Yeah.
don't notice it.
No, don't worry. Because of that, I have a solution or a suggestion, I think. And I think that it's a good idea when I'm talking with you, like this moment, you put your mobile out.
Okay. I mean, you sure that I have to hold my phone all the time?
Not all the time, but when I'm talking to you and I'm saying something important, I like that you look me in the eyes.
Okay. Okay. That sounds good.
I think that it seems
I
reasonable.
understand your point.
Thank you.